Hello students. So in this video we are going to study about second member of alkene family, ethane. So let me start with the introduction. Ethane occurs in natural gas up to the extent of 10% along with methane. It is also present in coal gas and is also found dissolved in petroleum. Next are the methods for the preparation of ethane. So methods are almost similar like the preparation of methane. So laboratory preparation, we take the sodium propionate and soda lime. For the preparation of methane we were taking the sodium acetate, but now one more carbon in alkane, we take sodium propionate with soda lime. That gives the formation of C2H5H, that means C2H6 ethane, and removal of sodium carbonate. Second, from methyl iodide, similar reaction. In place of methyl iodide, now we are taking ethyl iodide. Reduction of ethyl iodide with zinc copper couple in presence of alcohol give also the formation of ethane. Next, physical properties. It is a colorless and odorless gas. It is only sparingly soluble in water, but soluble in organic solvents like alcohol, acetone and ether. Vapor density of ethane is 15. After this, the chemical reaction and chemical properties are almost similar like the methane. Substitution reaction, hallucination, and hallucination can be chlorination, fluorination, bromination, iodination. But fluorination is a vigorous reaction and chlorination, bromination can be take place in the diffuse sunlight, and iodination is a reversible process. So first we see chlorination. So in ethane, how many number of hydrogens can be replaced one by one and gives the formation of monochloroethane, dichloroethane, trichloroethane, tetrachloroethane, pentachloroethane and hexachloroethane. Next is combustion. So combustion can be in excess of oxygen and in absence or limited supply of oxygen. So in excess sufficient oxygen, CO2 will produce along with water and heat, and in limited supply of oxygen, CO, carbon monoxide, water and heat will produce. Catalytic oxidation. So oxidation of alkanes with copper at this temperature gives the formation of alcohol. Alcohol then oxidized into aldehyde. Aldehyde can oxidize into carboxylic acid. So for example, ethane is oxidized when ethane and oxygen is passed through red hot copper tube. So ethanol is produced, ethyl alcohol, and when ethyl alcohol again oxidized with KMnO4, acidified KMnO4, acetaldehyde or ethanol is produced, and ethanol when again oxidized with strong reagent KMnO4 acidified, that produce acetic acid or ethanoic acid. So some other reactions with the oxidation, these are important also. So ethane oxidize with the copper tube, similar like the methane. In methane, methyl alcohol, and in ethane, ethyl alcohol will produce. Ethane oxidized with molybdenum oxide. So particular acetaldehyde is a product, and acetaldehyde can be again oxidized with strong oxidizing agent and finally gives the ethanoic acid. So formic acid, formaldehyde in case of methane is oxidized with this reagent converted into this one. So these are the 3 points. Use the copper tube for alkane, conversion of alkane into alcohol, and for alkane into aldehyde particular conversion use the molybdenum oxide as a catalyst, and use a strong KMnO4 acidified and potassium dichromate acidified when you are going to convert the alkane into carboxylic acids. Fourth is cracking, and when a bigger hydrocarbons breaks into smaller fragments, it is termed as cracking. Cracking are 2 types, thermal and catalytic. So thermal means heating. By heating at this temperature in absence of air, that can be cracked into 2 compounds, unsaturated ethene and hydrogen. but somewhere saturated compound can be there like methane. And catalytic cracking with the catalyst silica and alumina, when heat this ethane gas, so that will convert into ethene and hydrogen gas, similar product. After this, the uses of ethane, it is used as industrial fuel in big industries. It is used in the preparation of ethanol, ethanol, ethanoic acid, etc. It is used in the preparation of ethyl chloride. So I hope you like this video, and if you like, share this video so others can see. And if you share this video, please don't forget to press the icon button, subscribe my channel so I make new videos for you. Okay, until then, goodbye, take care of your health.